a YouTube fan did to me, KyKy. Just here, you know, having made a video, and in case you're wondering, yes, I did get a haircut. It was getting really, really bad. Other than that, I've been doing very well. Maybe sometime. I've also been here chilling with my friend, Nyan Cat, you know, because Nyan is fucking awesome, you know, you gotta say that. Fucking Pop-Tart. No, been pretty good, pretty chill. First 100 views and stuff, you know, people are starting to notice how funny I am. Focus funny, I don't know. So, this video is, done for, Music Lover 04, I think, 34? It's either 04 or 34, but, I'd like to thank her for commenting and adding me on Facebook. I'd also like to thank my girlfriend, Amina, Autopsy. She's now modeling. So if you want to, I will just... And there you go, there's her picture. And I still want something to eat or something like that. I'm gonna go get my Srry cola or whatnot. I feel super fucking thirsty. Good, I got my Pepsi. No, cola. Okay, so if you saw my last video I put up, I'm actually in the midst of making some music. I'm in the midst of either making hardstyle and dubstep, or just one of those. So, you know, next time you see another one of those things that are up, I made another one. I don't care for, like, how bad they are. It's just my type of style that I like to watch or listen to. Great. So, other than that, I'd like to thank, Jesse Mala for being my friend on Facebook and tell me this editing software he gave me, or let me use it. Either way. I'd also like to thank him for being my friend on Facebook, and I also think he subscribed to me. I'm not sure, but I'd like to thank him for that, and his little friend Owl, because, you know, he loves the owl so much, so I might as well figure it out, throw in the owl. So, question of the day, should I do another video, or should I not? Leave a comment down below. Please subscribe, like, really subscribe. I love that. And, so I'm gonna drink my Coke, okay? And, I'll let you guys do. So, bye.